So let's go, guys. So, guys, let's start discussing the. Anyway, that's confirmed. Okay, thank you, Akshat. It is confirmed that they don't come at the same position. Hmm. Now let's see what other people are writing. Confusion. Yeah, I know. So, guys, today we are going to discuss a very interesting and the hardest problem which was asked in CodeKaze Coding Ninjas Round 2. It was asked today or yesterday, I don't remember the date. What is the question? You guys can keep reading this question, but I will try to make it easy. So, they are saying that, let's take some test case now. They are saying that you are given some soldiers and you are given some monsters. Okay, guys? So, let's say you are given some soldiers and you are given some monsters. Okay, so in a particular test case, let's say you are given m monsters. Okay, m1, m2, m3. What is the position of that monster? This is at index, this is at the coordinate 3, this is at the coordinate 5, this is at the coordinate 7, guys. Okay, really interesting. Nice. Now the thing is that each of these monster has some strength. The strength of this monster is 4, the strength of this monster is 3, and the strength of this monster is 2. Okay, now we have some soldiers. Soldier s1 is at coordinate 1, soldier s2 is at coordinate 6. Okay, guys, this much configuration, if it is clear to all, everyone start writing yes in the chat. These are the soldiers, these are the monsters, these are the coordinates, and these are the strengths. Start writing yes in the chat. Start writing yes in the chat. Everyone start writing yes in the chat. Yes, Naman, we can surely do something like that. What is Naman saying? We need. There is a lot of confusion, but we will try to, guys. This understanding should be very clear. What is the question saying? Question is saying that this is a monster m1, m2, m3. The coordinates of the monster, the coordinates of the soldiers 1, 6, and these are the strength. Now they are saying that each soldier has an arrow. Okay, each soldier has some arrow. Okay, so let me try to erase this stuff, guys. They are saying that each has an arrow of power k. Okay, each soldier has an arrow of power k. So each soldier is having a arrow of power k. So, guys, in our question, each soldier is having an arrow of power k, right? So now what do I want is that, k is 2, right? K is 2, guys. K is 2. Great. So each soldier is having an arrow of power k. Arrow of power k. Okay, good. Nice. Nice. So, guys, what you can do is that each soldier can hit the arrow either in the right direction or in the left direction. Okay, clear? And if you hit the monster, it will decrease the strength of the monster by 2. Okay, guys? Now comes the big game here. Okay, so how will you kill all the monsters? Suppose, guys, the soldier number 1 hits the arrow in the hits the arrow in the right direction, so it will hit all the monster, this also, this also, and this also. So the strength will reduce by 2, right? This will become what? 2. This will become what? 1. This will become what? 0. So M3 monster is already dead now. Its strength has become 0. Now, guys, this M1 is having strength 2. M2 is having strength 1. Now if you use the S2 soldier and hit an arrow in the left direction, this strength of 1 will be decreased by 2. It will become 1 minus 2 minus 1, and this will also be decreasing by 2. It will become 2 minus 2 0. So the strength is 0, here it is 0, here it is minus 1. All the monsters dead. Hence the answer to this question is true. What did you do? You did this simple trick here. Here was your m1, here was your m2, here was your m3, here was your s1, here was your s2. First you hit an arrow like this. From S1, it hits all the guys M1, M2, M3. S1 is hitting all the guys for one time. Then S2 you go. S2 is hitting M2 and M1. S2 is hitting M2 and M1. The strength of the impact was K equal to 2. So this got hit by S1 also, S2 also. So this got an impact of 4. This also got hit by S1 also, S2 also. This got an impact of 4. This only got hit by S1. This got an impact by of 2. So if you subtract these numbers from the strength, it will become negative. Hence, all the monsters are dead. Guys, if you all understood the test case, start writing yes in the chat. If you all understood the test case, start writing yes in the chat. Guys, please, you should not be having any doubt what is happening here. Okay, if you guys are clear with the test case, everyone write yes, guys. Please, please, please. No, Abbas, even that will not work. बिकॉज गाइस, एक चीज तुम लोग को क्लियर कर देना चाहता हूं, जब तुम एक एरो मारते हो ना, तो वो डायरेक्शन के सारे रोबोट्स मर जाते हैं, समझो बात को. इफ आई एम अ सोल्जर S, okay, this is M5, this is M6, this is M7. So if you put a arrow like this, the soldier can use arrow only one time in his life. Okay, so if he hits an arrow on the right direction, the strength of M5 will also be affected, M6 also, M7 also. तो इसकी strength क्या हो जाएगी? इसकी स्ट्रेंथ समझो M5 जो भी थी, M5 - 2 हो जाएगी. समझो इसकी M5 ही स्ट्रेंथ थी. It will become M5 - 2. What will his strength become? M6 - 2. What will his strength become? M7 - 2. What is 2? 2 is nothing but K. K equal to 2, the strength of the arrow. So whenever you hit an arrow, na, all the guys in the right direction will be getting the strength reduced. This arrow is a very different kind of arrow. When you hit, na, it doesn't get affected. Its speeds remain the same. Okay. इसका -2 करता है, फिर इसका भी -2 करता है, फिर इसका भी -2 करता है. रियल लाइफ जैसा नहीं है कि M5 को मार दिया और कुछ नहीं होगा आगे. It kills everyone when it wants to kill everyone. Okay, guys. So do you realize that? अच्छा, now let me see. I will now automatically know the understanding of the students here. Guys, say this monster has a strength of 3. This monster has a strength of 5. This monster has a strength of 8. K is equal to 10, guys. K is equal to 10. Here is a soldier. He is putting an arrow here. Tell me, guys, what will be the final strength once he has shot the arrow in the right direction? Whoever tells me in the chat will get 50 rupees GPay tomorrow. Tell me, guys. This is the monster 3, 5, 8. These are the strengths of that monster. I'm hitting an arrow from a right here. The strength of the arrow is 10. What will be the final strength of the monsters? Everyone write in the chat. Manik, you also. Yes, Harsh, we can get full marks also. Okay, so -7, -5, -2. You guys wrote that. Great, nice, 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 nice effort. Hmm. Okay. So Karandeep, you also write. Okay. Naman, incorrect. It is not 0, 0, 0 minus. So guys, if the strength of all the monster is minus, it means all are getting killed, right? Yes. Someone write yes. All are getting killed, right, guys? The answer is true in this case. Someone write yes. Now guys, what will happen? अब मनी की मुझे इसका आंसर बताएगी और आयन बताएंगे. मैंने k इक्वल टू 10 से तो हिट कर दिया, ठीक है. अब जब हिट करने के बाद द सेकंड सोल्जर से अ सोल्जर वाज हियर आल्सो, ही हिट्स इन द लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन. सो फर्स्ट तो ये क्या बन गया, -7, -5 एंड -2. नाउ अ सोल्जर फ्रॉम दिस पोजीशन इज हिटिंग इन द लेफ्ट. टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द फाइनल एरे आफ्टर दिस. लेट्स से व्हाट पीपल आर राइटिंग. करेक्ट आदित्य, करेक्ट आभास. आभास रॉन्ग. -12 क्यों कर रहे हो, उसको थोड़ी ना मार रहे भाई. ये पोजीशन से हिट किया अभी, तो सिर्फ इसके बाजू वाले ही तो इफेक्ट होंगे. दिमाग दिमाग. नाउ योर सोल्जर इज हिटिंग दिस, ओनली 5 and 3 will get affected, Rabas. So it will be -17, -15, -2, guys. Everyone right? Guys, each monster is affected by. Yes, Naman, correct. See, Naman, guys, please hit congratulations for Naman. React with emojis. See, he explained so nicely. React with emojis for Naman, guys. Yes, yes, congratulations. हाँ, जोर से मारा उसने वो. Very good. Each monster is affected by the robots to its left and shooting to right and robots to right and yes, correct. Guys, now the understanding of question is clear to everyone. Everyone for one time write yes in the chat and then let's go ahead. हाँ. Yeah, lots of congrats. Guys, वो तुम लोग वो जोर वाला कैसे फोड़ते हो, मुझसे वो हो नहीं पाता है इमोजी में. कोई बात नहीं, क्या पता क्या ट्रिक है. Anyways, so guys, yeah, everyone understood. Okay, good Akash, good, nice. So guys, now the understanding of the question is clear. Okay, understanding is clear. Okay, okay. Hmm. Now, how to solve understand? Okay, this if this was an easy question now, so I would explain the understanding by writing in the document also. But this is really really difficult. I don't want to spend that much time in writing the basic things, and that's why I call the ultra pro batch people also here. Okay, and there's a reason why I kept it so late in night so that not everyone comes. Understanding is clear. So now, guys, the thing is, actually that was not the reason I was not able to manage today. So, guys, understanding is clear now. How to know if a problem can be solved by greedy. Guys, day before yesterday I explained greedy versus DP. Okay, so how to know if a problem can be solved by greedy method? If you are able to find a strategy, if you are able to find a strategy which gives the best choice at current position and is also guaranteed to give the best answer for future, then you can do the greedy technique. You can do the greedy technique. In case there are multiple scenarios, guys, you don't know what can happen, then you will have to do dynamic programming. In general, I am saying it is not exactly the same as I said. ऐसा नहीं कि जो मैंने लिखा पत्थर की लकीर हो गया. Generally समझा रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Generally. हाँ. अब now the thing is in greedy problems, the trick is the trick is you find some way and then you successfully try to disprove it. If you are not able to disprove, it means your theory is correct. Your theory is correct. Okay, fine. For example, Newton said that there is gravity. Okay, things are going down. Why did people accept him? उसको कोई wrong prove नहीं कर पाया. नीचे चीजें जा रही है तो जा रही है, दिख रहा है. समझे बात को? वैसे ही in the greedy strategy, you need to find some. You need to like come up with some observation, intuition, and then you need to disprove. Try to disprove it. If you are not able to disprove, it means it is correct. Okay. So we will see how to do that. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Thank you for the congratulations. So guys, the thing is now let's see. Let's do the analysis. Let's do the analysis. Yes, Harsh. Very good. Guys, always remember to solve a greedy problem. All you need is common sense. So you have to solve the greedy, right? You need a common sense. Common sense. पहले मुझे लगता था कॉमन सेंस बहुत इजी है बट ऐसी बात नहीं है फॉर दैट यू नीड लॉजिक ओके सो नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू फिगर आउट वेरी सिंपल केसेस and the simple cases will only give us the answer. Okay, very simple cases, and you will be very much happy once you figure it out. So guys, the thing is now tell me something. There is this monster M1. Okay, there is this monster M2. Okay, then say there are some soldiers S2, S3. Then there is this monster M3, M4, M5. Okay, and then here the first soldier is coming here. So before the first monster, there is the first soldier. Okay, guys, is this configuration clear to all? These are the monster, these are the soldiers. Before the first monster, there is a first soldier. This configuration is clear to everyone, guys. Some people write yes please in the chat. Now, guys, in this case, use your common sense and tell me, no matter what happens in this world, in which direction should the arrow be hit by the S1 soldier? This is common sense, guys. Common sense. Even if you're 5 year old, you will know. No matter what happens, what should the soldier S1 do? क्या वो लेफ्ट में मारेगा जहां पर कोई भी नहीं है? अंधे अंधे में चलाएगा वो? नहीं. नहीं चला सकता अंधे में, इसी को तो बोलते हैं ग्रीडी। यूज कॉमन सेंस गाइस, वेयर विल इट दिस गाय हिट S1, विल ही हिट इन लेफ्ट? हवा में मारेगा तीर, एक ही बार मार सकता है। Right. So guys, let's make our theory. And guys, now I want that everyone approves my law and compositions. Okay, guys, my law is saying if the first soldier, if the first soldier is standing, if the first soldier, if the first soldier is standing before the first monster, he is guaranteed to shoot in right direction. Guaranteed to shoot in the right direction. Okay, guys, the first soldier is standing before the first monster. He is guaranteed to shoot in the right direction. Guys, everyone approves with my theorem. Everyone write yes. फिर बाद में कोई मत बोलना कि भैया क्यों पहले वाले को राइट में किया था, इसका बाद में यूज आने वाला है गाइस, बहुत यूज आने वाला है, बहुत यूज आने वाला है। अब गाइस, कैन यू सी द बेनिफिट? कैन यू सी द बेनिफिट इन दिस लॉ? व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट? What is the benefit? Can anyone see the benefit? This arrow will affect all the monster. This will affect all the monster. यही तो अच्छी बात है, मतलब उन सबके नंबर कम हो रहे हैं, मजा आ रही है, मर जाएंगे सब। Got it, guys? So the thing is that the first soldier, if he is before the first monster, obviously is going to the right direction. But that the thing is that that right arrow will destroy all, will will give problem to other monsters also. The arrow that this guy is going to shoot in the right direction, it is confirmed he will shoot in right direction. It will affect M1 also, M2 also, M3 also, M4 also, M5 also, and you wanted that only. That's great. That's great. Guys, it is great. Do you understand that it is a good thing? Write yes in the chat. Someone write yes. Okay. So now I'm confirming it, the second law. This arrow will affect all the monsters. Okay. So this is good. You should always remember, ये ऐसी चीजें लिखना बहुत जरूरी है कि ये हो रहा है, ये अच्छा हो रहा है, मतलब हम कहीं ना कहीं स्ट्रेटेजी अब धीरे धीरे सही हो रही है, ठीक है। The first soldier standing with first monster, he will always shoot in the right. Okay. See how I did a very small observation here. Okay. And is affecting, it is decreasing the strength of all other monsters. It's really good, great, nice, awesome. Now what? Now what to do? Let's say, guys, can you calculate for each monster how? Acha, one small. Let's change the topic. Okay, topic change. Can you calculate how many arrows will be needed to kill a monster? Can you calculate how many arrows will be needed to kill a monster? Guys, whoever gives me a formula will get 500 rupees tomorrow in GPay. Whoever tells me the formula first. Guys, how many arrows will be needed to kill a monster of strength, of strength, of strength V? Tell me, guys, if the strength of the monster is V, what will be the formula? V by K. Congratulations, V by K. क्योंकि अब चलो क्या पता किसको ये भी नहीं आता हो, तो ये भी समझा देता हूँ. So, say guys, the monster, the strength of the monster is 10 and the row is coming off 2 size. So your 2 you will kill it by 5 times, right? 2 into 5, 10. So how many arrows are needed? 10 by 2, which is V by K. If you don't know this much mathematics, what will you do? You go and contact your first or second, third standard teacher and tell her to give you refund, or the principal, okay? Because she did not teach you the course properly. And this is not my responsibility, okay? Sorry. So guys, you should always know that if the strength of the monster is V and the arrow coming is K, so total number of arrows from left and right, it needs V by K. Means V, if it is perfectly divisible, then V by K, or else V by K plus 1. Because अब अगर ये 9 था, if the strength was 9, say the strength was 9, then also you would need 9 by 2, which is what? 9 by 2 is 4. So 4 is not enough. 4 plus 1 you will have to do, because 9 becomes what? 7, then it becomes 7 minus 2 5, then it becomes 3, then it becomes 1. So 1 2 3 4 steps are done, but still you will have to decrease this 1 to minus 1 till the monster gets killed. If it's perfectly divisible, then v by k. If not perfectly divisible, then v by k plus 1. Okay guys, थैंक यू गाइस। चलो अब मेन टॉपिक पर फिर से। चलो ये सब कर लिया। द आंसर इज वी बाय के। चलो अब फिर से पहली वाली बातें करते हैं। नाउ the thing is, guys, if the first soldier is standing before the first monster, he will guarantee shoot in the right direction. The benefit is that this arrow will affect all the monsters. So, guys, now let's say this is happening. Okay, this is happening in front of everyone. Okay, okay, guys, this was your S1. Okay, and this was your M1. This was your M2. This is your S2. This is your S3. This is your M3, and this is your S4. Okay, guys, clear, guys, love you all. So S1 you hit here. Okay, so it this becomes M1 minus K, this becomes M2 minus K, this becomes M3 minus K. Guys, still here everything is clear. You see that, yeah, the first soldier can only hit in the right direction. If it left, it's no use, and it is decreasing for all the monsters. Guys, still here everything is clear. Please everyone write yes in the chat one time. See, even at 12 a.m. I'm able to hold the attention of 25 people. यस ऐसा ही कुछ है, बट पहले स्टार्टिंग का। गाइस थोड़े लोग तो यस लिखो यार, आगे चलना है। चलो, फाइनल सोल्यूशन इतना इजी है, तुम लोग को हंसी आ जाएगा। ओके, नाउ एवरीथिंग इज गुड। नाउ टेल मी guys, let's assume that m1 minus k killed this monster. You are successfully solved it. Okay, guys, some people write m1 killed. Just assume that it got killed by that arrow. Guys, someone write m1 killed, so that it goes in everyone's brain that m1 is killed. Just assume it's killed. Okay. But M2 is not killed. You did decrease by K, but still it is alive. Still some power is left. So now you will have to use some soldier from S2, S3, S4. Guys, everyone write in the chat that if M2 is not killed, you will have to use someone from S2, S3, S4. Everyone write this statement 1,000 times. Write it again and again, copy paste. If M2 is not killed, you will have to use a soldier from S2, S3, S4. That is the only option left. If M2 is not killed, you will have to use a soldier from S2, S3, S4. This definition, this theory should be very clear. अगर कोई बंदा नहीं मरा और लेफ्ट में कोई भी सोल्जर नहीं है, तो राइट में से ही उठाना पड़ेगा और कुछ नहीं कर सकते। तो गाइस कोई तो अच्छे से लिखो, इतना बोला मैंने। If M2 is not killed, we will have to use a soldier from S2, S3, S4. गाइस सब लोग इस बात से मानते हैं, सब लोग इसको लिखो अपने बुक में। चलो मैं अभी 10 बार लिख लेता हूँ। If M2 is not killed, ओके, पहले वो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिख देता हूँ कि कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वाज लाइक दिस, राइट? S1, M1, M2, H2, S3, M3, S4। ये मेरे बच्चों ने लिखा है। If M2 is not killed, we'll have to use a soldier. We'll have to use a soldier. Have to use a soldier from S2, S3, S4. S2, S3, S4. S2, S3, S4. S2, S3, S4. If M2 is not killed, guys, always remember, you shoot an arrow from here, right? You decreased it all by K, right? This go or decreased by K, but let's assume ये मर गया, भूल जाओ इसको। अब M2 नहीं मरा, भी बेशरम नहीं मरा ये, तो अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते भाई, यहाँ पर अब कुछ नहीं रहा है, जो भी है राइट में है। H2, S3, S4 में से या तो यहाँ से मारो एरो, या तो यहाँ से मारो, या तो यहाँ से मारो। अब आएगा मजा। गाइस एनालाइज एंड टेल मी, कहाँ से मारना बेटर रहेगा? H2 से मारना बेटर रहेगा, 3 से या 4 से? यूज करो दिमाग, भगवान ने एक ही दिया, अच्छे से यूज करो। Where should you guys, can anyone tell me why S4? सही आंसर दिया, सब स्मार्ट स्टूडेंट्स है। वाई S4 क्यों पास वाले से नहीं हिट किया, एकदम दूर वाले से हिट कर रहे हो? जरूर कुछ अपना प्रॉफिट देख रहे हो बेशर्मो, बताओ। जरूर कुछ सोचा होगा। क्यों किया? ताकि भाई इफ यू हिट फ्रॉम द farthest away place, these all will also get reduced one more time. Profit. You had to reduce this, guys. Guys, did you get the intuition? What is happening? Everyone start writing yes, yes. Many will be impacted. Yes. Just assume we are terrorists. We want to kill many people. Guys, do you understand how good are the greedy problem if you think properly? Yeah. Basically, we are playing GTA and we have to kill many people. So now, the thing is, yeah, thank you for the emojis and everything. Guys, the thing is that, yeah, many will be impacted. So, you you should always select the farthest soldier in right, as it will affect others also. Others too. That's it. The problem is solved. That's it. That's it. The problem is solved. Guys, the general algorithm is very simple if you think properly. What will be the general algorithm? Very simple. Now, most of the people have already done it. So, guys, the thing is, the general algorithm is very, very simple now. Okay. Suppose you are at a particular robot. Okay. Let's say we are at a particular monster. Okay. We are at a particular monster. Okay. Let's say we are at a particular monster. I need to pick up some. Hmm. Let's say we are at a particular monster. We are at a particular monster. Okay. Say I am at M5, or say I am at M4. Okay. I am at M4. Okay. I am at M4. I am at M4. I want it to get killed. Okay. I know that how many arrows are needed. Say that three arrows are needed. How many arrows are needed? Three arrows are needed. Now you can already keep the track how many soldiers from here have shooted here. Let's call it as L. You already know because you are traveling from first to here, right? First monster, second monster, third monster, fourth monster. So you know now how many soldiers have shooted the arrow from the left side. Let's call that quantity as L. Also, you know how many soldiers have shooted the from R previously from the right side. You know now because you are calculating. Okay. So how many more arrows are needed? 3 minus L plus R is needed. You know how many are already getting shooted from left. You know how many are already getting shooted from right. So all you need to do is try for 3 minus L plus R. Let's say L plus R is 0. Let's say L plus R is 0. So you need 3 more arrows. Okay. So whenever you need an arrow, what algorithm you can do, guys? Whenever you need an arrow, what algorithm can you do? First you try all the guys in the left hand side. Okay, you try all the guys in the left hand side. First you always try the guys in left hand side. Okay, you always try the guys in the left hand side, because as I said, say this is this is M15. Okay guys, M15 hai. So what will you do, guys? First, the farthest left soldier you will try to pick up. Farthest left soldier who is alive here. Okay, and you will try to hit an arrow from here like this. Okay, and if let's say कि मुझे 5 arrows की जरूरत थी, मुझे कितनों की जरूरत थी? 5 arrow की. But when I tried to select the farthest left soldiers, there were only 3 available. There were only 3 available. 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. So now 2 rightmost soldiers I will pick up from here. Once they are done picked up, then only these are the soldiers left. They will be used for further M16, M17. This is the algorithm and it will always be correct. Okay. Now we can write it in a very, very efficient manner, but the understanding of the algorithm should be clear to most people. For example, let's take our case only. Let's take our case only. Okay. Let's take our case only. Guys, everyone focus. What was our case? Our case was that a guy is yet here 3, Another guy is at here 5. Another guy is at here 7. All these are monsters. M3, M5, M7. The strength is 4, 3, 2. The soldier S1 is standing here, and the soldier S6 is standing here at the sixth position. And the K is 2. K is 2. So, guys, when the first guy comes, tell me how many arrows are being shooted from the left side and the right side currently. There is no arrow being shooted when your algorithm is going on. Guys, what is the L? Tell me what is the L? 0. What is the L and R, guys, for M3 when nothing is happening? नहीं नहीं, अभी कुछ नहीं हो रहा. Start ही हुआ है अभी. बताओ ऑलरेडी कितनी एरो शूट हो रही है लेफ्ट और राइट में फॉर M3? कोई शूट नहीं हो रहा है. लेफ्ट में कितनी एरो शूट हो रही है? 0. आर में 0. Guys, do you agree that for M3 L is also 0, R is also 0? Everyone write 0 0, guys. Everyone write. Everyone. जब तक सब लोग नहीं लिखेंगे मैं आगे जाऊंगा ही नहीं. सब लोग लिखो, सब लोग. ठीक है. अब 0 है. How many arrows are needed? How many arrows are needed to kill this guy of 4? 2 arrows are needed. How many are needed, guys? 2 arrows are needed. 2 arrows are needed. So first you will check the leftmost soldier which can kill you. And this leftmost soldier, obviously it is expected to hit to right direction. It has no other choice. So what you will do? You will just check how many soldiers are there. You see that there is one soldier. So you reduce 2 minus 1 equal to 1. But still 1 is left. Left soldiers are not able to satisfy the requirement. So you will check on right. Right में कौन है? S6 है. इससे भी एक एरो करवा लो. तो 2 minus 2 हो जाएगा. 1 from here, 1 from here. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now you can update your L as 1, R as 1. L1 means from the left there has been one arrow already coming. R1 means from the right also there is one arrow already coming. So guys, अब तुम ही दिमाग लगाओ. When you come at M5, what will be the value of L and R? We have already calculated how many blows are there. Guys, what will be the value of L and R when you are at M5? ये कर लिया, M3 को मार लिया, अब M5 को मारने की बारी. बट उसके पहले L और R तो चेक करो. अभी L और R क्या है? ऑलरेडी ये सिचुएशन में कितने एरोस चल चुके हैं लेफ्ट और राइट में? गाइस, व्हाट विल बी एल? करेक्ट मनीक, करेक्ट यश. ऑल विल गेट सक्सेसफुल, whoever is writing answer in the chat. Correct Akash, correct. Or others also right, guys. Others also right. L is 1, R is 1. L is 1, R is 1. So guys, L भी 1 है, R भी 1 है, तो टोटल कितना इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है? L plus R कितना हुआ? 2 हुआ. और K की वैल्यू क्या थी? 2 थी. तो 2 into 2 4. So guys, 4 is already greater than 3. So this is destroyed without doing any operation. Guys, someone write that M5 is destroyed without doing any operation. Then only I will go ahead. Someone write in the chat that M5 is destroyed without doing any operation. Yes, Manik and Akshat, such dedicated students they are, even at 12 a.m. What is Karandeep doing? What is Kostub and Prabhat doing? Suraj, great. So guys, now when you come at M7, when you come at M7, when you come at M7, you need to know the L and R. Now this time this R will not be included because this has gone ahead. So guys, at M7, what is the L? Can anyone tell me? And what is the R? Can anyone tell me? R is 0, but L is 1. So L is 1 is able to kill this. So guys, can anyone tell me what will be the general algorithm now? You start iterating monsters from the left, okay. You know L and R. Initially L is also 0, guys. R is also 0. You keep updating them. So guys, you start iterating from the monsters from left to right, okay. You know the L, you know the R. Now what do you do? What do you do to satisfy, to kill this monster, or to satisfy to kill this monster? First you start picking the leftmost soldiers which can kill, which can kill it. Why does it work? Why does it work? Because if you pick the leftmost soldier, because if you pick the leftmost soldiers, they will also affect, they will also affect most of the guys coming after the ith element, coming after the ith element. If even, if even the left soldiers are not able to kill the element, are not able to kill the element, if even the then you go, then you start thinking, start using the rightmost soldiers. Why this works? Because if you again pick the rightmost soldiers, it will affect the maximum number of guys, maximum number of guys. Keep on doing this, keep on doing this, keep on doing this for each monster, keep on doing this for each monster. Okay guys, keep on doing this for each monster and your job is done. In case you are not able to kill, then the answer is -1. In case you are not able to kill, not able to uh, erase that element, answer will be -1, answer will be -1. I hope you guys like this interesting problem. So what is happening, that we are arranging the arrows in a very efficient way, guys. Yes guys, guys, can you see, we are arranging these arrows in a very efficient way, just like Bahubali. What is happening, कि पहले हमको नहीं पता था कि लेफ्ट में मारना चाहिए, राइट में मारना चाहिए। अब हमको इतना एनालिसिस करने के बाद क्या पता चला, कभी नोटिस किया है? समझो ये सारे सोल्जर्स हैं, तो इफ दीज आर द सोल्जर्स, after analysis the answer is coming that some of the guys, the left guys should always be hitting like this and the right guys will be hitting like this. General composition will look like this only, guys. Do you agree or not? It will look like this only. Whenever you are here, the leftmost guys will always be try to go towards right and the rightmost guys will always go like this. So it will always look like this, guys. If you agree, start writing yes in the chat, guys. Everyone start writing yes, guys. Yes, you enjoyed this, very good. या यू शुड ऑलवेज डू दिस अ काइंड ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, क्योंकि तुम अभी लेफ्ट से जा रहे हो ना, तो सबसे पहले क्या ट्राई करोगे? अरे देखो, तुम ही दिमाग लगाओ। कभी भी ग्रीडी स्ट्रेटेजी में डरने की जरूरत नहीं है कि सही है कि नहीं सही है, बताता हूँ क्यों। जब भी तुम यहाँ पर कोई मॉन्स्टर पर हो, तो भाई लेफ्ट मोस्ट वाला सोल्जर ही यूज करोगे ना। अगर लेफ्ट मोस्ट यूज करोगे तो अच्छी बात क्या, ये तो सब पहले ही मर चुके हैं जो तुमने मारे हुए हैं। अब जिसको मारना चाहते हो, तो जो बचा है वही यूज करोगे ना। पीछे पीछे आदमी है तो उसको यूज करो, इसको भी मारेगा और वो आगे वालों को भी कम कर देगा। तो लेफ्ट मोस्ट से बेटर तो कुछ है नहीं। इन केस दीज सोल्जर्स गेट एम्प्टी, if they get, मतलब if you don't have any more leftmost soldiers, then you start picking the rightmost soldiers, एकदम राइट वाला, ताकि फिर से इन सबको मारेगा तो इनका भी पावर रिड्यूस हो जाएगा। अरे बेनिफिट ही बेनिफिट है, समझे? If you always pick the leftmost and the rightmost guys, then the arrows will be like this guys, these guys will be saying hit right, hit right, hit right, hit right, and then from one particular point L. This was the final conclusion, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it a lot. Start writing yes. Okay guys, all the C++, Java, Python codes will be uploaded. Don't worry, don't worry. फिलहाल के लिए चलो थोड़ा बड़ा C++ कोड देख लेते हैं। Yes, Karandeep also understood. Congratulations, guys. Now let's check some C++ code. Okay. So guys, N and M is your soldiers and your monsters. S vector, I am using it to store the soldiers. Mo vector to store the position of monsters. Vo vector to store the strength of the monster. See, I am running a loop, storing, running a loop, storing, running a loop, storing, and then I am storing all these in a pair of vector or pair of array. The first element is nothing but the position of the monster. Last element is nothing but the second element of the pair is nothing but the strength of the monster. Clear? Now what will I do? I am taking the position of all the soldiers as well. I am taking all the positions of the soldiers as well. Okay guys, so now guys, if the code till line number, okay, Guys, is the code till line number 44 clear? I'm only taking input the S positions, the position of the soldier, position of the monster, strength of the monster, and K. If everything till 44 line is clear, right? Start writing yes, guys. कोई तो yes लिखो. Input ही ले रहा हूँ, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. सब लोग yes लिखो. Okay. Guys, can you understand why am I sorting? Because I want the position in sorted order, na, line wise. I sort this and I'm putting a very big number in the end. इसका use बाद में बताऊंगा. 47 लाइन को इग्नोर करो, बट फिलहाल जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट आई एम सॉर्टिंग द पोजीशन ऑफ द सोल्जर्स. Similarly, I'm sorting the positions of my monster also. I'm using an unordered map used. I will explain it later on. See, I'm declaring L as 0. I'm declaring R as 0. Clear, guys? I'm declaring start as 0. Means if I want to use the soldier from the leftmost point, I will use the start index. Leftmost soldier. Leftmost soldier. And if I want to use the rightmost soldier, this is n equal end point, rightmost soldier. Okay, guys. So m minus 1. Now I'm iterating through all the monsters. Okay, here I am iterating through all the monsters. Okay, guys. So see, what do I do first? I calculate the position of the monster. Position of the monster. Then strength of the monster. Strength of the monster. Then I print the position and strength of the monster. Then I how many number of arrows required to kill it. Number of arrows required. Okay, if it is VL mod k equal to 0, then don't do anything or else do G plus plus. For Python guy, write G equal to G plus 1. I don't want to offend you. Okay, guys. Now ignore this much code. ठीक है, ये वाला कोड इग्नोर कर दो. लाइन 70 से 87 तक का इग्नोर कर दो. बस इतना तुमको समझ आ गया, guys. I'm iterating through all the monster, finding the position of the monster, strength of the monster, and the number of arrays required to kill it. Guys, this much code is clear to everyone. See, only this much. This much, blue color. Position of the monster, strength of the monster, number of arrows required to the monster. 57 to 67 clear to everyone? Someone write yes, yeah. Someone write yes. Yeah, so interesting. Okay. So, इस और भी लोग yes लिखो भाई. हाँ. So the position of the monster, strength of the monster, and number of arrows required to kill that monster. अब मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, ये जो 70 से 87 लिखा है इसको इग्नोर करो. अब नीचे चलो. Guys, how many more arrows will be required to kill this monster? It will be G minus L plus R because some arrows are already working in the left and right direction ना, तो उनको भी तो काउंट करना पड़ेगा. तो G minus L plus R you can use. Okay, you actually need G minus L plus R. Means you need actual number of arrows. Okay, guys, do you understand actual equal to G minus L plus R? Someone write yes in the chat that I am subtracting the L and R are already active. Yes, Manik. Yeah, L and R are already active, guys. They are already active. That's why I am Kumar. I only explain the hardest problems, Manik. Guys, L and R are already active. These guys are already active. ये तो भाई हवे में चल ही रहा है लेफ्ट राइट. जब पैरेलल वालों को मारा था तो जितने भी तुमको चाहिए माइनस एल प्लस आर करना पड़ेगा तो एक्चुअल आएगा. गाइस, एक्चुअल इज क्लियर? समवन राइट यस यार प्लीज, जल्दी जल्दी, मुझे अभी आगे चलना है. ओके, एक्चुअल समझ आ गया? ठीक है. यश एंड करणदीप एंड मनीक बेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स. Guys, if actual is greater than 0, then only you will try to kill it ना. If actual is less than equal to 0, तो कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. And after doing all the operations, if actual is less than equal to 0, good. Not, then answer equal to -1. Guys, if actual is greater than 0, it means you need to destroy these arrays. Then I am running 2 while loops. What will they do? Here you are picking the leftmost soldier, guys. Leftmost soldier pick कर रहे हो. Leftmost soldier pick कर रहे हो. बताता हूँ कैसे. S is what? Soldier array. And start is what? 0. देखो मैंने ऊपर डिफाइन किया था. What am I doing, guys? ये मेरा मॉन्स्टर है, ठीक है. तो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, ये जो सोल्जर एरे है ना, सोल्जर एरे में ऐसा ही होगा ना, S0, S1, S ऑफ n-1. तो मैं 0 को बोल रहा हूँ स्टार्ट पॉइंटर एंड n-1 को बोल रहा हूँ एंड पॉइंटर. तो अगर आपको m को मारना ही है तो स्टार्ट पॉइंटर से चालू करो ना, जो एकदम लेफ्ट में है. तो if this guy position is, if s of 0 is less than the current position of monster, this means कि भाई कोई इसको मार सकता है, समझे. If S0, guys, if the position of the soldier is less than the position of the monster, it means that position the soldier can shoot towards the right direction. And also that soldier should not have been used before. So I am storing in the map that used of start equal to 0. Also the number of arrow required should be greater than 0. Only then what will you do? One arrow you will shoot. So actual equal to actual minus 1. एक arrow खत्म हो गया. This soldier you have used. So used of start plus plus. And you will increment the start pointer. अब वो soldier तो use हो गया. S0 यूज कर लिया इसको मारने में, तो अब S1 पर आ जाओ. अब आपका स्टार्ट पॉइंटर S1 को पॉइंट करेगा. ठीक है. इन केस वाइल डूइंग दिस प्रोसीजर से द पोजीशन आगे चली जाती है, तुम्हारे एम से भी आगे चली जाती है. अभी तुम ही सोचो, अगर लेफ्ट से मार रहे हो, इफ दिस इज एम, ठीक है, ये S0 है, दिस इज S1, से यू हिट फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो, यू हिट फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो, बट देन ऑल्सो इट इज अलाइव. अगर ये सब करने से भी अलाइव है तो स्टार्ट पॉइंटर तो आगे चला जाएगा ना. स्टार्ट पॉइंटर इधर आ जाएगा. स्टार्ट पॉइंटर इधर है तो तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, हमको तो सिर्फ ये वाला डायरेक्शन का देखना था. तो ये लूप विल ओनली रन टिल ऑल द सोल्जर्स आर इन द लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन ऑफ, लाइक आर सिचुएटेड इन द लेफ्ट पोजीशन, इन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ एम. सो दैट्स व्हाई I've written only run this loop. Yes, money. Only run this loop if s of start is less than posi and it has not been used. Guys, if you are done with all the leftmost soldiers, you start doing with the rightmost soldiers. So rightmost soldier का भी सेम ही है. क्या करोगे? If you want to kill this M guy with the rightmost soldier, you will be using s of n minus 1, right? Last pointer, end. So same. If s of end is greater than position and it has not been used before and also actual greater than 0, you decrease the number of rows because one arrows decrease the number of one arrow. Then used of n plus plus, then end equal to n minus 1, end equal to n minus 1. Now you decrement that pointer of the rightmost soldier, na? That's it, guys, and the job is done. Guys, this much you understood. Yeah guys, yeah, now guys, last corner case I want to explain. तुम सब लोग मिस कर दिए थे. Why r plus plus? अरे आर प्लस प्लस भाई, मतलब ये आर प्लस प्लस मतलब तुमने राइट से शूट किया. अगर ये एम है, ये एम है, ठीक है, और यहाँ पर कोई राइट मोस्ट सोल्जर है, तुमने यहाँ से एरो शूट किया, तो नंबर ऑफ राइट जितने भी राइट से आ रहे वो तो इंक्रीमेंट हो गए ना, तो आर प्लस प्लस किया है. और अगर यहाँ से कुछ, इफ आई शूट समथिंग फ्रॉम हियर, देन आई वुड डू एल प्लस प्लस. ओके गाइस, गॉट इट? अरुणाक्षु, डिड यू गेट इट? नाउ गाइस, देयर इज अ ट्रिक. देखो तुम सब लोग ने मिस किया था ये कोड. मैंने, मेरे को अगर कोई नॉर्मल बंदा होता ना, इतना लोग के छोड़ देता. देखो मैंने कॉर्नर केस को टैकल किया है. ये L and R can always go wrong, guys. L will always be correct. Your L will never go wrong, guys. क्यों? L कभी तुम्हारा गलत नहीं जाएगा. क्यों? सोचो सोचो, कोई बता सकता है? The number of arrows coming from the left side will never go wrong because when you come here, guys, तुम कैलकुलेट कर लेते हो कि लेफ्ट से कितने आ रहे हैं, राइट? अब जब तुम M2 में आ रहे हो तो ये लेफ्ट वाले तो आ ही रहे, कुछ और भी ऐड हो गए होंगे, तो यहाँ पर भी L करेक्ट है. जब तुम M3 पर आ रहे हो, so still your L will always be correctly be calculated. Guys, everyone write yes, L will always be correctly. Yes, R depend करता है, L नहीं. So guys, L को लिखो, L will always be correct. L will, कोई राउट लिखो ना, L will always be correct. L को कुछ छेड़खानी नहीं करना है. L हमेशा चुपचाप इंक्रीज होता रहेगा क्योंकि हम उधर से ही तो आए हैं, तो वहां पर कुछ नहीं करना है. L जब जब देखो लिखा हुआ है, whenever you hit a left guy, you do L plus plus on line number 100. Okay, but R will not be updated properly, guys. लिखो, but कोई ये भी लिखो, R will not always be correct. R will not always be correct. बताता हूँ. अब इसको आप ध्यान से इमेजिन करो. ठीक है ना? आप इधर जा रहे हो, ठीक है, आप धीरे धीरे आपका एम बढ़ रहा है. पहले आप एम ऑफ आई पे थे, अब आप एम ऑफ आई प्लस 1 पर हो. ठीक है. जब आप एम ऑफ आई पे थे तो आपको इतनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स थी कि ये भी राइट पे हिट करे, 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 और ये भी राइट पे हिट करे. समझो ऐसी रिक्वायरमेंट. दीज वर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. आर वाज 7. बट व्हेन यू कम एट एम ऑफ आई प्लस 1, जब तुम इधर आ जाते हो, ठीक है, तो अब धीरे धीरे क्या हो रहा है, ये सब तो ऑलरेडी राइट में है. तो अब चलो एम ऑफ आई प्लस वन पे समझो कुछ नहीं था, समझो कुछ नहीं था, आर 6 था, समझो आर क्या था, 6 था। 1 2 3 4 5 6, तो तुम यहाँ पर एम ऑफ आई पे आए, तुमने देखा 6 एरो राइट में हिट, मतलब लेफ्ट में हिट हो रहे हैं, ठीक है, लेफ्ट में मतलब ये डायरेक्शन से आ रहे हैं। ओके, आर इक्वल टू 6। एम ऑफ आई प्लस वन पे भी तुम देखते हो आर इक्वल टू 6, बट अगर समझो दूसरा एम ऑफ आई प्लस टू इधर है, if the next m of I plus 2 is here, your R will still say 6, which is wrong. Now you have crossed these three soldiers. So you again need to calculate the R properly, guys. You need to calculate the R properly. So basically, all you need to know is if you are at a number mi, okay, you need to calculate the number of soldiers here. Let's say there are g number of soldiers, okay. Now if r is greater than g, मतलब r तो तुमको बोल रहा है कि जितने सोल्जर है उससे ज्यादा तुम्हारा r है, तो हो ही नहीं सकता, तो तुमको क्या कर देना है, तुमको लिख देना है कि r इक्वल टू जी, समझे। इफ r इज ग्रेटर देन g, मतलब तुमने वो लिमिट क्रॉस कर दी है। r ग्रेटर देन g समझ रहे हो, मतलब गारंटी है कि सारे राइट को हिट मार रहे हैं और तुम m ऑफ i प्लस वन से m ऑफ i प्लस टू पे आ गए हो। तो एक बार चेक कर लो कि m ऑफ i प्लस टू के पहले कितने सोल्जर आ रहे थे, वही तुम्हारा r होगा। ये गारंटीड है, this is guaranteed in this case that all the soldiers after m of I plus 2 will be in the right direction only, because ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता। और एक नॉर्मल बात बता देता हूँ, if r greater than g, this is a very rare condition, this is a very rare condition। why? because तुम कोई भी मॉन्स्टर पे हो, ऐसी गारंटी थोड़ी है, it is very rarely going to happen that अगर अगर even if all are hitting towards this, even if all the soldiers are going in the this direction of the right side, okay, even if r is equal to g, that is understandable, but r greater than g, it means what, कि सब राइट हो चुके थे, फिर तुम बीच में कहीं से दूसरा मॉन्स्टर यहाँ पर आया है, तभी तो r ग्रेटर देन g हो रहा है। जब भी r ग्रेटर देन g हो रहा है मतलब अपडेट करो, यहाँ पर आओ और देखो कितने मॉन्स्टर है और उसको r g से अपडेट करो। गाइस ये कॉर्नर केस समझा, देख लिया क्वेश्चन कितना हार्ड है, बच्चा कितना इजीली गलती कर सकता है। गाइस everyone understood how complicated and nice this question is, full error prone? राइट यस इन द चैट, राइट यस गाइस। हाँ तो देखो इसके लिए ना मैंने सिंपल सा वो लगा लिया है, क्या किया है, आई डिड द अपर बाउंड। ये मैं यू कैन वॉच द बाइनरी सर्च सेशन 2 टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दिस गिव्स। आई डिड द अपर बाउंड ऑन द पोजीशन ऑफ द मॉन्स्टर। सो व्हाट दिस फंक्शन डज ना, ये फंक्शन आपको एक झटके में बता देता है हाउ मेनी सोल्जर्स आर देयर आफ्टर that particular position of the monster. So the array of the soldier is sorted. I am doing a binary search. समझो 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 कि तुम्हारा, you can watch the second session of binary search to understand this upper bound function. What it is doing is, say you have a sorted array of all the soldiers, okay, ठीक है, and you know that a particular monster mi is coming at a position number 50. So what you can do, upper bound function you can use, and this will exactly tell you how many numbers are there in this array which are greater than 50. Say these three numbers are greater than 50, it will output 3, or it will output the index of the numbers which are great, like the first index of the number which is greater than 50 in this particular S array. So you will know now how many guys are there. How many guys are there is only your R value, right? Because you are now knowing that all are going towards this direction. So I do the upper bound. I found that particular number index. If that is less than equal to n minus 1, it means yeah, kf minus n you do. जो भी इंडेक्स है उसको एन से माइनस करो तो पता चल जाएगा कितने बंदे थे उधर, ठीक है ना। अगर वो टी से ज्यादा आ रहा है तो आर इक्वल टू टी, अगर इफ इट इज लेस देन डोंट डू एनीथिंग, जस्ट कीप क्वाइट एंड डू योर जॉब, ओके। if that is coming like this and that is coming like that, and I hope I did it correctly, let me check. Okay, yeah, it will work correctly only, okay. So guys, most of you understood, everyone right yes for, and guys congratulations for staying in the meeting with me till 12:30 am. For the first time I am taking coding session at 12:30 am. Karandeep, I also don't know, अब देखते हैं कल जो जिंदगी लाएगी कर देंगे, ठीक है। Guys, reaction, thank you so much. Now guys, should we stop the recording, right? Yes, someone write yes in the chat, guys. Stop the recording. अरे कोई तो लिखो.